want to thank God. For the result that have been used today by CS Education and Bachogu. We are also happy that we were able to download our results. What we are giving is provisional results as we were for the authentic one from NEP. So far, using the platform that was given by the ministry, we've been able to download our results. And the school has 24 A planes, 84 A minuses, 113 B pluses, 127 B plane, 109 B minus, 64 C pluses. We have 34 C planes. We have 5 C minuses, and our last students, 5 of them who scored B pluses. And the results are what we've been able to achieve as an institution. We are before our students. We want to thank our students who were journeyed for 4 years, our parents for 2023 class. I only thank our board of management for the support they have given us, our PA, our PS, our education ministry officials in the county, the TSA. I want to thank my teachers who are behind me for the support they gave us in 2023. Even want to thank our workers for what they did, and all those friends of Kisi School those who prayed for us during the time of exams. Now 2023 is behind us. We want to challenge our incoming 2024 group that they can do better than what this group has done. This webinar, we have had an increase of grade A plane. Last year we had 22 A planes. We've been able now to move to 24. I'm looking forward to a time when we will be improving even as we reduce our tail. We have one of our students with us here, Rodney, who scored, is among the best. In fact, we call him our Kisi 1, who scored an A plane of 84. And Marty, with the parents who are here, probably give him an opportunity to thank God for the result, to represent the students, a number of students who are out there. We've taken, we go with the C plus and above. We have around over 500 who are transiting to university, even as the 44 will be transiting to middle level colleges and other institutions, so that they can be able to achieve their dream. Now, we welcome Rodney, our top student. What has done for me, all the staff members, the parents, and the family. They have made me achieve my dream. This is a gentleman who has lead us. Is very cooperative. Number of ways to cheer the boys in his class.
Angalia hii side.
Kwa majina naitwa Lennox Mokaya. Mwanzo tunamshukuru Mungu. We expected this, but we never expected this much. And he has made us proud. And wish him well. Thank you very much.
Lennox Mokaya.
My name is Lennox Mokaya. This is the wife.
The mother
Asanteni kwa nafasi, tunashukuru Mungu sana kwa umbali huu. Mwalimu hata class teacher amekuwa akituambia huyu atapata A plane, lakini atakuwa tunaamini. So tunashukuru Mungu sana, na hata hao wengine tunawaheshia mema. Asanteni.
Atusonge nyuma kidogo walimu. Tusherekee hapo kidogo.
mtu wa rainforest.
Wapi furaha? Bado.
Weka wimbo.
Hiyo haijatosha.
Hiyo si sherehe ya airplane.